Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is regarding the magnification produced by a lens. So if we are having a lens, whether convex or concave, let me make some convex lens. This is the principal axis. This is somewhere the object which is at a distance of u from the optical center. Let us suppose somewhere here the image of equal size or greater than, because we are having the different cases studied. If it is 2f, then it will be again 2f here. If it is having size h, the size of object hu, then it is the hi, size of image, and it is at a distance of v from the optical center. Now what is the magnification? Magnification is simply defined as magnification. It is defined as the ratio of size of image. Size means height. Size of image to the size of object. That is magnification, which is denoted by m, equals to size of image by size of object. Size of image, that is hi, and size of object, that is hu. So it is simply defined as the ratio between size of image to the size of object. This can be greater than 1, less than 1. It simply gives information whether the image is greater than object or smaller than object, as we have read also already in the spherical mirrors. This is also having a relation. This magnification is having a relation with u and v, and that is m equals to v by u. You might have in your mind that in case of mirrors, in case of spherical mirrors, magnification was minus v by u, but in case of lenses it is m is equal to v by u equals to hi by ho. This is the formula for magnification. This magnification, no units, pure number. It has no units as it's a pure number, because if this will be 10 centimeters, in the denominator it will be 5, 10, whatsoever it may be, but it will be centimeter versus centimeter, so no units. Once there is a division between two similar quantities having same units, then the resulting quantity does not have any kind of units. This magnification can be positive. Magnification can be positive as well as negative. What is positive oblique negative magnification? Positive magnification simply means when the image produced by an object, by a spherical lens, is virtual. Positive magnification simply means when the image produced by an object, by the lens, is what? That is virtual. So when the image is virtual image. And negative means simply what? Real and inverted image. So in case of concave, in case of this convex mirror shows both types of convex lens, actually convex lens show both type of magnifications, that is positive as well as negative. And concave shows, concave lens only shows which one? Positive magnification. So you have to remember this is related to the magnification, that magnification is simply the ratio of size of image to the size of object. Magnification can be positive, negative. If the image is virtual, then the magnification is positive. If the image is real, inverted, then the magnification is negative. Convex lens shows both types of magnification, positive as well as negative, and concave shows only and only positive. Then after, we should have knowledge regarding power. Power of lens. What actually is power? Power of lens. We know when the rays of light fall on the lens, they either converge them or diverge. Convex lens converges them and concave mirror diverge them. So ability of lens to converge or diverge. Diverge the rays of light falling on it. So ability of a lens to converge or diverge the rays of light falling on it. If a lens converges or diverges more, then it's having more power. For example, if we take two convex lenses, if one among the convex lenses converges more, then that is having more power than the another convex lens. If we will take two concave lenses, for example, if we are having this is a convex lens and this another convex lens. So this lens and this lens, if one among the two converges more rays of light falling on it, then that is having more power. And same will be the case in case of the concave lenses. And this power is equal to the, it is equal to the reciprocal of power is defined as the reciprocal of power is defined as the reciprocal of focal length of lens. So you have to say power is something like P equals to 1 over F. This is power. Once the focal length is in meter, or you can say P equals to 100 over F in centimeter. So power is reciprocal of focal length. More focal length, less power. Less focal length, more power. So that will be for the thick lens. If this is a thick lens, it will be having definitely small focal length. It will be having more power. This is a thin lens. It will be having what? Larger focal length as compared to this. So it will be having a lesser power. So power of convex. Now the focal length of convex lens is focal. Simply we are going to power of convex lens is what? Positive, because its focal length is positive. Because focal length is positive. Focal length is positive, and power of concave lens is negative, because its focal length is negative. Because focal length is is negative. So simply, if you are having a power, if once you will go to doctor, he will say you will have a, you are requirement in a of a lens which is having a power of 0 point something, 0.25 positive, 0 1.25 plus 1.2. Once he will say plus 1.25, then definitely you are a requirement of a convex lens. Once he will say negative, then you are definitely requirement of what? Concave lens. So this is all regarding the power of lens, power simply power as well as the magnification. This concludes our unit first. Actually, two chapters we have completed. Now, after this, we will take another unit and related to numericals. Once after some days, I will post numericals. I will send a material on your respective WhatsApp numbers. Till then, Allah Hafiz.